The top stories. Manpack adopts 4-point resolution in review meeting on CA bill. MDA to urge President of India to give assent to Manipur People's Bill. And 4 protesters hurt in police action during one jointly called by JSA against announcement of Thinungai Bird Sanctuary and Loktak Fishermen Association. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur People Against CA Bill 2016 Manpack has adopted 4-point resolution in the review meeting on CA Bill today. The review meeting was held at Lamyang Bas Sanglen in Palace Compound today. Over 700 people, including leaders of more than 20 CSOs, attended the meeting. Talking to Tom TV News on the sideline of the meeting, convener of Manpack Y Dilip Kumar said the resolutions adopted by the review meeting are intensifying mass campaign on CA Bill, forming common platform for notice with regards to CA Bill, ascertaining population of migrants to pressurize center to implement NRC and to urge the center to cancel Foreigner Amendment Order 2015, which allows foreigners to come and settle in India.
Asigi matang sida North East pumbada hauba ihawa mo oibanina Manipur khaktanatana North East ka laidiba CSO sing amasung masigi stakeholder punama se coordinate tawna bagi yamna achauba North East ki level da yamna achauba platform ama sagan minaba haibo pham simal lere amendment bill asida CAB 2016 na paliba country ahungi amasung lining list taruk satpa adugumba miyoi sing adubo hanadagi hauna leiba yabagi amusung makhoi gi mathakta laukhatpam thokpa kono step laukhatpa kaya adu exim tawgi bisna mara moira kanda yamna India da hairiba sing se already chana kibato madu singna dana aikoi madu chana ba yaroi madu hairiba order sing adu cancel tawgadabani haiba si demand tawba haidana aduma the
Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA has said today the alliance has decided to seek assent to the Manipur People's Bill from the President of India. The bill seeks to regulate entry and exit of non-Manipuris into the state. The alliance of 11 political parties is worried that the government of India anytime may issue an ordinance in the backdrop of failure to go through the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in the Rajya Sabha. Addressing media at the office of State Shiv Sena Party located at Babupara in Imphal, MDA convener M. Tombi said amendments to CAB have been taking place since 1955 and that the recent amendment to this bill was taken place for the 20th time. He then underlined the need to protect the interests of the indigenous people and demanded that the National Register of Citizens be implemented in the state towards that end. Tombi, who is also the president of Manipur unit of Shiv Sena, further emphasized on the importance to set up a population commission to enforce a stringent regulation in the state.
Citizenship Amendment 2016 gi adu akoi sabhada puthokidra matungda Manipur du sik tongan ba CSO sing adu tongan mayam na nainari ba mayam sing si sumba siawi adu ga khanari budo karino habsu khoisu madai bu puning sang na akoi chu yam na munna akoi party trama thoisina yam chaksinna akoi kari torpu yage to akoi madu munna yanjari.
Aam Aadmi Party Manipur Unit President T.H. Manihar, who was also attending the press meet, made it clear that the recent media reports on publication of a gadget by the centre pertaining to CAB was nothing but framing some mandate under Section 3 of Passport Act 1980. He added that the move has no any connection with the CAB in any way.
Oibagi yabagi film dipiri aduga sigi mamangdagi masi laps oire habagi wakalo lama honorable Supreme Court na phongto I masi aikoi na ajamilate honorable Supreme Court na phongto po matung ina bill si lapse ore aduga kanigumba masi amok introduce so pamo gadi sendo within toba kopa tawrearga anu sarkar amala aga yagani yaba pamo gadi yai habakhe oribo supreme court wapamle.
At least 4 persons were injured when police resorted to tear gas shell firing to quell protesters during a dawn to dusk ban on Tidim Road called by JAC against the announcement of Thenungai Bird Sanctuary and Loktak Fishermen Association. Ban supporters, including women folk of Phubala and Thenungai, came out in large number and blocked the road with 3 branches and other items to obstruct traffic. The injured persons were taken to different hospitals. JAC Secretary Andrew Pachandra said that the protest will continue further until the bird sanctuary plan at Thenungai of Bishnupur district is completely withdrawn by the government. Meanwhile, the JAC against the announcement of Thenungai Bird Sanctuary and Loktak Fishermen Association has called off the Tidim Road ban midway following the concerned authorities reportedly have given assurance to fulfill its demand. The ban was supposed to end at 6 p.m. Teachers, students, local guardians and Transport Union of Catholic School Kanchipur today jointly staged a sit-in protest and later took out a rally from the school campus up to Kawa Bazar. They condemned the act of planting a bomb by the underground group KCP-PWG at the school gate on 14th of this month. The protesters were seen carrying several placards. Some of the placards read, "Make school a free zone. We want books, not bomb, and do not plant bomb. Plant the seeds of education." Later, while talking to media persons on the sidelines of the protest, one of the local guardians expressed dismay over the incident, adding that if there is a way to attain freedom through planting bombs at school and killing students, they should first rather take the life of guardians. Pramoda Okram, a teacher, said that revolutionary groups must refrain from the act of placing bombs at any educational institution. Such describes such incidents as an act of terror. The teachers are tirelessly teaching the students and helping them in bringing laurels to the land, she said. Pramoda also appealed to all concerned not to repeat such a cruel act in future to ensure education a free zone.
What we can say is a kind of act of terrorist. If it is an act of the revolutionaries, then it will not do like this, because this is an institution where we are bringing up many students' future, our children's future. It is said that our children are the future of the nation. Until now, our school is working for nearly 25 years, and in these 25 years, we are bringing out many bright students who bring laurels for the state, for the nation. So instead of encouraging us, we are not bothering, or we don't want to mention, or we don't want to analyze or understand whatever the problem is. But what we want as a teacher is make our John is a free zone, make our institute a free zone from all the disturbances, and let us do our duty with full of dedication in making the future of our children.
Tolina Athokpam, a student of Catholic school, stated that placing an explosive at the school is a big crime and such incidents should not be repeated in future, since students are human resources for the future.
School second gate bomb thamaga student member destroy tawgena khaliba sibo yamna delinquent of crime na khali future pillar or deriva khoi resource khoi state gi resource po destroy tawgena khaliba makhoi gi primitive oiba thinking je yam nungai jade aduga masibo khoi na amuka hana matungda thoktana ba haina haijari.
The cease work strike of SSA and Ramsa teachers demanding clearance of long pending salaries and line of promotion has entered 12th day. The SSA and Ramsa teachers staged in demonstration in front of Journal Education Office, Parampad. One of the teachers, Thiam Ranjan Singh, said that it is very unfortunate that despite prolonged protests, the government is still silent. He said that the government should take full responsibility if students fail in Board of Secondary Education Manipur and Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur examinations.
Government oza amadi satra mayamgi ai nation builder mayam se oza na sembira kadabanina masi hundoga akhoi na angang nukseba angang ji thadu amaga sangcha leiba khongjang ase masidi akhoi na karigum khara lokhatpham thoina na government side tai khalan janing ba haitare ai sakhau hangaba oza sing sina kamai tawgana angang sing takpi gani school kamai taw chatkani hujik deva karma mayam thoi matam se thogdo wathong pik thalaba matam se dei sida tha mapane tolo pi thokta aduga khoi line of promotion lehendaba aduga atop state ki oja singa akhoi ga treatment se tongana manada mi ama yengbiba manba mong se ama pinjade haitar.
The state government has asked the concerned authorities to take steps to cut the numbers of textbooks carried by students to school and also not to assign any homework for kids who are studying in standard 1 to 2. Here is a report.
In a measure relief to students, the Meghalaya government has put a cap on the weight of school bags for all classes and set restrictions on homeworks for classes 1 and 2. According to the State Education Department, the official order issued to the school authorities is in tune with the directives of the Union Human Resources Development Ministry. We have issued instructions via notification setting limits on the weight of school bags. This is in line with the guidelines of the Union Human Resources Development Ministry, keeping in mind that the weights the children carry affect their health, said Education Principal Secretary D.P. Walang. The department has also asked the head of institutions to ensure that timetables are designed in a way that students do not have to carry too many books or notebooks to schools. The weight of school bags for classes 1 and 2 has been capped at 1.5 kg, while bags for those studying in classes 3 to 5 should not exceed 3 kg, the notification said. For students of classes 6 to 7, the maximum weight should be 4 kg, it said. Similarly, the weight of school bags for classes 8 and 9 has been capped at 4.5 kg, and the maximum weight of bags for class 10 students has been limited to 5 kg. Schools should not make sure that students are asked to carry only those textbooks that have been mentioned in their timetable, the order said. The Education Department has also barred schools from assigning homeworks to students of classes 1 and 2, except in subjects recommended by CBSE, ICSE or Meghalaya Board of School Education. Students should not be forced to bring additional books and materials, it said, aiding that children should be encouraged to participate in co-curricular activities for their holistic development.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Manipurda ihan hangoin handukzaba Green Can Industries masida commercial kitchen equipments amadi bakery item makhal suna phangiragani.
We're very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services yamna pending our entrepreneurs in Green Can Industries that depend over yani
We trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
We love the quality of Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Agum so mutang lenshin biratuna aku pamaro dikamata tanabiu. Aikoi address Green Can Industries Mahangum Lekai SBI ATM building. Green Can Industries for better baking.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi. Ngasi lengchin biroksi mobile furniture Coacatel near Infal Products.
lamjingba group na Manipur da lairiba assembly constituency humphudagi mathauda pukning changba public relationship executive post ki miyoi amamam lawjagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikhoigi address lamjingba group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131944063.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Welcome back after the break. Students of Central Agricultural University KAU condole the death of 45 CRPF personnel in Pulwama terror attack by observing 2-minute silence and took out candle march on the university campus this evening.
We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I believe.
The Wishes, one of the most popular local rock bands of Manipur, hopes to go global with their debut album Our Pride, which was released at Manipur Press Club in Imphal today. Manipur folk and blues musician Guru Ryovin Masangba, president of Royal Riders, and freelance drummer Laistrom Momocha and advocate Laistrom Sendo were the main guests at the music album release. The band has already signed a contract with Songduyu, which is a global online music platform. Global promoter, The Wishes and Songduyu will be sharing the revenue generated from their debut album. Alternative rock bands have become popular in recent past for composing original songs relating to positive aspects of society, nature. The band comprises Bishi as vocal, Izzy Now Bona So as guitar, Maverick as bass, and Chinkhe in drum. Even as Manipur doesn't have proper market with no monetizing platform for rock music, there are many local rock bands that mushroom from the tiny state and became popular among Indian rock enthusiasts. Manipur is also considered second rock capital in Northeast after Shillong. According to band members, it took whole 2 years in making their dream album Our Pride, which have an element of alternative rock with pop. Addressing the gathering, advocate Laistrom Sando appealed to the people not to relate rock music with drug abuse.
I want to tell you guys, band members, that don't go after money. Let the money run after you. That means not afraid of money. So what I feel is be sincere in music. Get your all heart out. What music is.
On the other hand, vocalist of The Wishes, Thaunauzam Bisi, said the album, which comprises 9 tracks, tells connotes the pride of Manipur, such as Shiroi Lili, Sangai, Bro Antler Deer, Komla, world famous Mandarin orange grown in Tamenglong district in Manipur. The band's bonus track, Komla Orange in English, was selected as theme song for 2018 Manipur Orange Fest. The band was also adjudged as winner of Shirog 2017 during Shiroi Lili Festival.
Our album say we are focusing on the beautiful nature of Manipur. Manipur Irang thang tawe habi na to mayam saknari sa jikan si Irang gi sai ko pen da bagi sai political views ki sai da khoina duna ta khoina sakning is na Manipur su phajab su lai haiba pot to Irang khatang na te haba phajab su there are a lot of beauties in Manipur, lot of potential adu du uning bai tare lemhori bai sai track tare to su social issue da based also dum yawi adigi di manglan mangphauna na ba never give up habi gi matang du su dum yauzari adu makan gi sai di dum yawi do main na sai ahum se Our Pride ne Brow and Blood Love and Komla. Si hum se koi Manipur gi oina koina English ta saksai mai taron da sak tre maram di outside ta hai tariko mayam na su taraga kai no moin sai se have do khang na ba.
Ban along Imphal More Road was called off after government's positive assurance. The protest, which was launched against not converting Mission Blind School, Haikak Pokpi to edit school despite the decision of the cabinet. Vehicles remain off the road and the students of the Mission Blind School along with the public of the area protested in the middle of the road. SP Technopal District Dr. S. Ibomcha arrived on the spot to talk to the protester. The protest was called off after Secretary Jeffrey from CM Secretariat assured through SP Ibomcha that a meeting with the Chief Minister will be arranged by tomorrow. There was a brief tension after what seemed to be an IED was found at Manipur Police Training College campus while digging ground. The tension was cleared after an expert team verified that it was an old earthen pot. After going on a solo car drive from Manipur to Delhi carrying message for safety of women, Jerinda Loitongbam will be further spreading the message to 16 districts of Manipur by continuing the solo drive in the district. Addressing a press meet at Manipur Press Club today, Jerinda appealed to the masses to support her on the course.
Chatlaga ithanda tawragadi ngasi mak aina Imphal to Delhi chatle hairaga awareness se hekta ngasi nungdang sida hekta effect lakadaba nate haidi akoi tungi oiba adaga mayam punna amuktang oina ai thanda tawbasina taba mayam punna amuktaw minaragadi khara doisu koi ki crime si reduce tawgadra na khali khata bai chachagi ni lepa laitana ai Manipur ki 16 district se amuk ai gi si mathangda chatkani na lecture.
A wedding photography workshop organized by Nikon India with main contribution by Cine Steel's Pauna Market was held at Hotel Classic Grand today. Nikon India has been organizing various workshops in Manipur during the last 5 years. Talking to Tom TV News, Northeast Area Manager of Nikon India, Kumar Kalita, said that the workshop will benefit the enthusiasts of wedding photography in Manipur. Wedding photography has been gaining popularity not only in Manipur but all over India. It is also a good way to earn money and make a living.
The photographers today here are already basic, they are aware of the basics. So this is an advanced level workshop. When they do professional wedding photography in the field, in the actual scenario, they will be able to perform more better, maybe and the light, how to use the better light, both for still and video. Then we have new equipments which we have introduced, the Nikon Z series. It's a mirrorless camera, so we'll have a special demonstration about that, and people can get more experience in the field and more technically ahead of others when they shoot after the training.
Let's take a short break once again.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur Private Satellite Television Channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner ₹1 lakh, first runners-up ₹80,000, second runners-up ₹50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba Lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari. Apamba service khanbiu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer. Standard rate ₹25 per kilometer. Luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800 1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Aikogi website www.lamjingbacap.com. Panthoibi embroidery da hauzi miyamna yamna pamna riba top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloi amadi kangkhal na chingba, luhongbada changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemaugi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamalda fangbiragani, loinana order su luxury. Lengsin birau ngasimak Panthoibi Embroidery, Sagolban Khamnam Bazar, opposite Oriental College, Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
Welcome back. An all-party meeting today on the car bomb attack on a CRPF convoy in Pulwama, Kashmir on Thursday that killed 45 Jawans adopted an unanimous resolution to condemn terrorism and the support it receives from across the border. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh presided the meeting. Opposition leaders opined that the Home Minister and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi should convene another meeting with the leaders of the national and regional parties to discuss the future course of action. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister and National Conference leader Farooq Abdullah said the Prime Minister should personally handle the sensitive situation and immediately take strong action. The Home Minister assured the meeting that the government will not allow social harmony to be affected and will take action. Even if someone from the BJP was involved in any such act, Anand Sharma and Jyotiraditya Scindia of the Congress, Sudhir Bandyopadhyay and Derek O'Brien of the Trinamool Congress, Jitendra Reddy of the Telangana Rashtra Samiti and Ram Vilas Paswan of the Lok Jan Shakti Party, among others, also attended the meeting. The Union Home Ministry has asked Central Forces and State Police Forces in the notice to stay alert to the possibility of Pulwama-type car bomb attacks in future. A similar alert has been sounded to Bangladesh, where an ISI-backed jihadi plan to hit Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's family on December 30th. Polling day was busted by covert action of the country's coast. Indian intelligence has reported that some young men from Assam and Bangladesh have been trained as suicide bombers after they joined JMB in the last few months. While the Bengali origin Muslims joining the JMB hail from districts where NRC updating has left tens of thousands excluded. The recruits from Bangladesh hail from families supporting Jamaat-e-Islami who have faced much harassment from security agencies and Awami League supporters in the last few years. Meanwhile, Nagaland also observed candlelit vigil yesterday evening in remembrance of the CRPF troopers killed in the Pulwama terror attack. In Kohima and Dimapur, the public joined hands to condemn the dastardly attack on soldiers. The members condemned the cowardly terrorist attack on the brave Jawans. State Excise and Narcotics Minister K. Baichua has said that the Joramthanga government in Mizoram will impose total prohibition on liquor sale in the state from April this year. The Mizo National Front MNF government, which came to power in December 2018 after defeating the Congress, had promised total prohibition of liquor in its election manifesto like the other opposition parties in the face of stringent demands for it by the church, which has a big presence in the Christian majority state. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb yesterday announced Rs 2 lakh compensation for its family of the nearly 50 CRPF troopers killed in the suicide attack in Jammu and Kashmir on Thursday. Meanwhile, the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP and the opposition Congress activists separately burned effigies of Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan and Pakistan flags and held candlelit rallies in memories of the slain CRPF troopers. Silence was observed in various government and non-government gatherings, including the inaugural ceremony of the Agartala Book Fair, to pay homage to the martyred CRPF personnel. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Congress demands House resolution on CAB. Pulwama attack. Pakistan will pay, says Modi as opposition stands with government. Chief Minister leads in saluting martyred soldiers. The People's Chronicle. Congress pitches for assembly, vow to oppose CAB ordinance. Government urged to settle SSA Ramsar issue. Police arrests Mossad advisor on sedition charge. The Imphal Free Phrase. Former president of Mossad arrested, allegedly slapped with sedition. Garland of victory was placed on neck of wrong person, says Gai Khangam. Mainia warns public to remain vigilant of CAV. One should ride bicycles for sake of future generations, Karam Sham.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Manpack adopts 4 points resolution in review meeting on CA bill. MDA to urge President of India to give assent to Manipur People's Bill. And 4 protesters hurt in police action during Bandh jointly called by JSA against announcement of Thinungai Bird Sanctuary and Loktak Fishermen Association. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.